What if one man's ego changed the entire course of World War II? What if Adolf Hitler had stopped interfering and trusted his generals instead? Could Nazi Germany have defeated the Soviet Union? Could D-Day have failed? Could Europe have remained under Nazi control for years longer? Because here's the terrifying truth. Some historians believe Germany's greatest enemy was Hitler himself. At first, Hitler looked unstoppable. Poland fell in weeks. France collapsed in just 46 days. Europe was shocked. Germany's military commanders used a revolutionary tactic called blitzkrieg, lightning war. Fast tanks, fast aircraft, fast decisions. And many German generals were highly skilled military strategists. But after these early victories, Hitler became overconfident. He began ignoring professional military advice. Instead of listening to experienced commanders, he started making emotional and ideological decisions himself. And that changed everything. In 1941, Germany invaded the Soviet Union. At first, the invasion was devastatingly successful. Millions of Soviet soldiers were captured. Entire cities collapsed. German generals wanted one thing: push directly toward Moscow. They believed capturing the Soviet capital could break the USSR completely. But Hitler disagreed. He diverted troops toward Ukraine and other regions for resources and symbolic victories. That delay proved catastrophic. By the time German forces reached Moscow, winter had arrived. Temperatures dropped below minus 30 degrees Celsius. Engines froze. Supplies failed. Soldiers starved. Then, the Soviets counterattacked. Many historians believe that if Hitler had listened to his generals and attacked Moscow immediately, the war in the East could have looked very different. Then came Stalingrad, one of the deadliest battles in human history. German commanders advised retreat when Soviet forces surrounded the city. But Hitler refused. He ordered the Sixth Army to stay and fight to the death. The result? Over 300,000 German troops were trapped.